Hello, my name is Elena Mechik. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Inhubber. And in this video, I will show you how our AI works. So let's start with the home overview. As you remember, the statuses of the contract, signature requests, etc. And on the left side, you have workspaces. So you can decide straight away where you would like to upload the contracts, which you would like to be analyzed with help of AI. So you take them from wherever they are and can drag and drop with help of the smart import capability. As next, you decide what is the document type you actually would like to use. Let's say it's a service level agreement. Click on next and on import. After a few minutes, you will have the sign it has been analyzed by AI. And once you click on it, you see the document in the middle, and next to it, the extracted information in a way of a short summary. What is the contract about? What is the contract title? The contract duration? What are the risks connected to the contract partners, etc. At the end, you click on Apply to Document fields, and this extracted information will be visible within the overview as title, description, contract terms, and some more fields here in the section. If you have any questions of how to use AI or would like to know more, just get in contact with us. We are happy to answer you any question you have. Thanks for listening and goodbye.